Thank you for choosing Lifted Trucks in Mesa, Arizona. Here we have the 2025 Lexus GX 550. It's got about a couple miles. Here is the lift ad that we did at our shop in Phoenix. It is a beautiful color. We'll go straight into the wheels and tires. Super nice. It's one of the better looking vehicles we have. We got the front end. We got the side of the vehicle. Let's go look inside. It's got the power seats, leather seats, and then you got a full panoramic up top. It's got some settings for your vehicle. We'll get inside here. There's a screen. Let's go ahead and go for a start. It does have, there's a screen there as it turns on. All the controls. Heated, cooled seats on here. You have your different modes. Your four-wheel drive, your hold, parking brake. It does have a live feed, the rear mirror. This thing is awesome. This full panoramic's awesome. Straight into the second row buckets with some drink holders right there. Let's go in the back seat. That's what we have here. Seating. There's your controls. Control the temperature back here, fan speed, and a couple of charging ports right there. The rear. It does have some bars up top. And there you have it, 2025 Lexus GX 550 here at Lifted Trucks in Mesa, Arizona.